Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Acer Iconia W4 tablet. Um, so to start with, make sure that your tablet is turned off to avoid any data loss. Flip it over and you can see I've already got it half opened. Um, Where's my screwdriver? So to open this thing, you'll need a Phillips flat screwdriver like this. Um, To get it open, you'll need to insert one part of it here and just pry the whole thing open like this. Then after that you can just use your hand and pull the back cover off just like that. So here we are. This is the battery, you can see. So to take the battery off, we're gonna have to remove, and again make sure that the tablet is turned off under all circumstances so that there's no data loss. And removing the back cover does void your warranty, so yeah. So to remove the battery, we're gonna first remove the connector. Be very careful. I'm gonna remove it by hand. There we go. And the battery is actually taped down to the screen, the back part of the screen, so be very careful. Don't put too much pressure on it. And yeah, it's a double battery. There's one battery here and there's one battery here. There's a central connector. And we just have to be careful with those cables. And there we go. That's the battery. Like I said, two battery packs, central connector here, and there's your terminal. It's a 3.75 volts, 5340 milliamp hours, 20 work hour. Can't find the manufacturer over here. Maybe googling that will show up something. Oh yeah, it's an LG. You can see it right here. Anyway, we're gonna put the battery back in and turn this thing on. See if it boots. Again, be very careful. You don't want any sort of damage to the flat flex cables. Just gently push this in so that it's secure in place, and then we connect the connector to the motherboard. Make sure it's tight, and we're gonna turn on the tablet. Let's see if it boots. Yeah, there we go. And we're in. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it off and replace the back cover. So to replace the back cover, just align the cover with the edges. See? Yeah, and that's it. Back to normal. Anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I knew many of you had requested you want to see how the battery, if the battery replacement is possible. it is possible if you can obtain a replacement battery from Acer. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer it. Stay tuned for more.